Hello everyone, welcome to the PH Engineering Project Planning and Control Academy. In this session, I am going to discuss about the most important issue that many planning engineers are facing while reporting and managing the earned value management about their program. So the most important thing after preparing your baseline is monitoring and execution. So there are lots of issues and pendings in the reporting and monitoring stage. So planning engineer should know about each and everything step by step. So basically, when you see this, I have an updated work program, updated schedule, but when you see the actual cost is not calculated or not showing here, it is only showing 4. So this is, you can say, this is a revised program, and this was one of the program. It was prepared by me, so it is containing number of activities, lots of activities. So I will discuss that why this actual cost is not showing in my program. So this is the most realistic case, and this is actual stuff I'm sharing with you. So I will again so let's start that what could be the issue before going into the main content. Make sure that your cost in the program is loaded as a units, as a budgeted units. You can load many of the planning engineers and related persons are loading their cost as three categories. They load their cost as an expenses, they load their cost as a budgeted units, they load their cost into your into the schedule as a budgeted units. So there are three categories you can load your cost. So it depends upon so the perks and so there are different implications and complications related to this category. So I will discuss in another session that what could be the pros and cons of all these three methods. But the most suitable method is that always upload your cost to your work program as a budgeted units. So you will never have any issue on your program. So basically, like, why I'm saying this, because if you see the cost, like, I'll take. So let me check. So let's suppose this is an activity of excavation. So how does Primavera calculate or cost? Primavera calculate or cost the budgeted cost is equal to the budgeted cost in any activity, and at the overall program it is calculated by Primavera like the budgeted units multiplied by the standard rate. So this is the basics principle of scheduling. So always try to upload your cost as a budgeted unit. So I will first export this program and check whether my cost is as a budget cost or units. So first thing that I have uploaded the cost. Let me first export. I have already prepared the cost template, so this should be the necessary columns. Next, I will save. Yes. So this will be in the downloads. This one is let this sheet open. So the cost of my program was uploaded as a material, because in this program we were basically tracking the labor, non-labor and material resources. So I have uploaded this cost as a material resource. So filter this, and then I will remove the other things. I don't need anything else. So I will keep material for me and remove the other columns. So I don't need the other columns. I delete these columns. So remove filter, it will be, you can see by budgeted, the cost is uploaded as a budgeted cost. So I will remove from here and upload again. So this was basically uploaded as a budgeted cost. So convert this into text from here. Now import the spreadsheet. So this will be imported. Let's check what happened, and we will check the actual cost. Why I'm talking about the actual cost? Because on earned value management, in the calculation of EVM, it is very important that we should have the actual cost in the program. No matter, you can update at somewhere if there is variations or change orders. You can monitor that in on your tracker in Excel, and then you can also monitor in your program on your schedule as a revised program. So I'm not going into that discussion. I'm just going, whatever the program you have, whatever the activities you have in the program, and you want to monitor the actual cost on your program, and you want Primavera to calculate it automatically. So this is all related to this. So you see, I have uploaded the cost as a units again. As a units again, it was even in the beginning, it was uploaded as a units, but I re-imported again as a units to show that always check that whether your cost is uploaded as an expense, as a budgeted units, or as a budgeted cost. So make sure it should be as a budgeted units. So it was already as a units available at my program, but I also re-imported and exported again, so that to show you. So what could be the other issue? So I will open the resource assignment and filter, because my cost was uploaded as a material. So I will filter all the material and check this column that calculate cost from the units. So make sure that should be this should be checked. So at some point, if you see this is unchecked, so what I will do, I will click here, press shift, and then fill this down, fill down. So again we will check, that whether we have the actual cost coming out or not. So again we are having the issue with our actual cost. So I will go to the tools. Yes, recalculate assignment cost. recalculate. So with recalculations, it is not showing. Now the final check is that go to your project at the project sections. So from here, go to enterprise, open the project section, which is in my case is always already open. So make sure which program you are using should be open. Let's currently open filter by, because I don't want to see the other projects. You can filter out. So this is basically, now in this you just go to settings, go to calculations. In the calculations you can see that there are many options. When updating actual units or cost, add actual to the remaining, subtract actual from at the completion. This should be checked, and you can see this is unchecked. Recalculate actual units and cost when duration percent changes. So just check this. Yes. Now check whether or actual cost is derived from the units or not. So you can see that my actual cost is now drawing from the units. So this is basically the hurdles many planning engineers are not taking into account, and finally get stuck at that point. So in the next session, as you see, this is the revised work program. In the revised work program or recovery extension program or any catch-up plan you are going to prepare, you must have the equilibrium at all the levels. Either it is the dates or it is the earned value statistics. So at all level you should have the equilibrium. You can see that at my program, the overall percentage is equal. So this is basically the meaning of revised work program. But you can see that the earned value and planned value, there is a difference in earned value and planned value. So in the next session, I will show you that how we will make the earned value and planned value. Earned value equal to planned value, which is basically mostly known as a EV is equal to PV. The next thing is that I will show you that how I can manipulate the cost performance index, schedule performance index, and actual cost is equal to the earned value of cost. So this is basically I will discuss in the next session. So if you want me to prepare the next session, so please like and comment below and let me know that you are getting any benefit from this clip, and I will bring another and I will discuss all the stuff in the next session. So thank you so much for watching.